Let's move on next. And what is next? Next is how you can convert your resume into an effective resume, so that you can receive a call from company and you can get selected in any interview. So how can you convert your resume into an effective resume? First thing you need to understand is you must have the hold on at least one technology. You should not be jack of all but master in none. What you must be? You must be jack of all and master in one. At least one technology should be there in which you must have the mastery. After doing the mastery, after making the hold on particular technology, step number 2 is do some projects on that. And after doing some projects on a particular technology and with the related technologies, you will get better hold on that technology. And step number 3, do some certifications on the same technology, because certifications again definitely give an additional weightage to your resume, and it would be easier to receive a call and get selected in any company. I'll show you one resume, one sample resume, and if you like you can prepare the same kind of resume which is recommended by me. And but to build that kind of resume, to prepare that kind of resume, one thing is required from your side. And what is that? That is your efforts, right? So be ready for that.